So have you noticed a decline in mitochondrial activity in modern person for the last decade, for example?
As we did a lot of patients or people where we analyze mitochondrial function, and sure we have mostly people which are not feeling well. Sure, we have also some which are healthy or seem to be healthy, and yes, some are really bad in the mitochondrial function, some are really good. But what we notice is the last 3 years or 2 years, it's terrible bad. Also they declined up to around 10 or 20% of the normal mitochondrial function.
That's a lot. Is it related with COVID?
We think that it's related with COVID, because mostly these patients are coming because they have problems and they are terrible.
Mm-hmm. Is it related to vaccinated people or people that didn't get the vaccinated?
Yeah, the most people which got vaccinated also got a SARS-CoV-2 infection, so we can't distinguish between these both groups at the moment, really.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. How are mitochondria related to the immune system?
Yes, that was the topic of my talk. The mitochondria determine the immune function. It is the last years, it was the topic, or the scientific topic, it's the immune metabolism. And if the mitochondria are not functioning, the immune cells are not functioning. Mm-hmm. So they determine how the immune cells is doing his job. Mm-hmm. So it is a central, mitochondria play a central role in immune functions.
How do we naturally revitalize mitochondria?
Yes, that's a very important question. We should revitalize them so that we put them as the bad mitochondria in mitophagy, so that it's be destroyed or suicide, and then to do a novel new biogenesis of mitochondria. That's the best thing, to remove the bad ones and to reproduce the best one. And that you can do with different signals, sometimes with cold, with calorie restriction, with oxygen therapy. So they need some specific signals to do this, to do this job.
What are your thoughts on medicinal mushrooms, adaptogenic herbs that they used to take for energy, for all the things that mitochondria are actually involved as well?
Yes, I think the mushrooms are good, sure, and also it's good to take specific supplements. But if you take that, you must take attention that you need sometimes different minerals or vitamins or substances which interact each other, not one substance. And then I think there will be not one single substance which is the best one. So it's always to take several which interact each other, and sometimes it's better to take high concentration and then to stop again. But if you take very, very low amounts, then you can also eat an apple.
Does mitochondrial function change when woman tends to start menopause?
Yes, they will change a little bit because they are also hormone receptors. So it's naturally, but it's not too much. You can still keep them healthy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What do you think are the rules to give ourselves boost of the immune system, as we now know that mitochondria are essential?
Yes, I think yes, we have to take care of the mitochondria, to do all these things: exercise, calorie restriction, vitamins, minerals, support, some signals like hypothermia or cold or swimming. Mm-hmm. I think all this together, not one single topic. And also look at the toxins, that we don't eat too much toxins. Also, okay. The surrounding is very important.
So you don't see like heavy metals and other toxins like a conspiracy theory, but as a real problem?
No, I think that is a problem because, for example, sometimes if we measure, we see a lot of arsenic, and arsenic is really toxic again for the mitochondria. And that is a problem. Yes, there we should take care that we don't accumulate too much of the heavy metals. Yes.
How does the heavy metals affect mitochondria?
It depends on the heavy metal. Some interact or block directly enzymes, so that the mitochondria can't anymore produce ATP. Sometimes it's more that they act on enzyme activity, and then you have all their machinery is interrupted at one point. Yeah.
Do you have any information about the lead toxic metal?
Yes, we have information. Therefore, if they have the water supply, in former days they were from lead, and then changed it to copper or to plastic material. Yes, lead is also one problem.
Thank you so much for your answers. Thank you.